Hi there, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change the video size in CapCut. Open the CapCut desktop app or the web version. Once you're in, click the New Project button on the home page to start a fresh editing session. In the editor, hit the Import button to upload the video you want to resize. After importing, drag and drop your video onto the timeline below. Click on your video clip to make sure it's selected. Then look at the top toolbar and find the ration option. Click it, and you'll see several presets like for YouTube, for TikTok, for Instagram, or choose custom to set your own dimensions. Another way, you want to tap crop ration and choose presets. Once you pick an aspect ration, you'll see your video adjust instantly on the preview screen. If changing the ration creates empty space around your video, you can tweak the background to make it look better. Options include changing the background color, applying a blue effect, or adding an image to fill the space. Play back your video to check the framing and make sure everything looks good. When you're happy with it, click Export in the top right corner, choose your export settings, and you're done. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.